Hello everyone, this is Komal from Singapore and welcome to my channel Komal Vision. Our Cambodia series is going on and we are in a city Siem. In this video, I'm going to show you Kulen Mountain, Kulen Waterfall, Reclining Buddha and 1000 Lingas. So all these places we are going to cover in this video. Kulen Mountain is known as Phnom Kulen in Cambodia. Phnom means a hill in a Khmer language. This viewpoint has got a beautiful views and we got a nice pictures over here. Whenever you are going for your Kulen Mountain tour, don't miss this viewpoint. Next place we are going to visit is Reclining Buddha. First I wanted to warn about this place is that as we were new here and we don't know much about the place, instead of going to the right hand side, we followed to a group of people and we went to the left hand side, and I'm not sure what that place is exactly, but by the look it looks like we saw some skulls of the animals, few things. So whenever you are visiting to Reclining Buddha, make sure to go to the right hand side of yours and not to the left hand side. That place is really scared us, and we have kids with us, so we were really worried about the kids especially. So after going to some distance, we realized that we have been to the wrong place and we came back from there. The Reclining Buddha's temple is not very big, so it was hard to notice so quickly. Whenever you visit this Reclining Buddha, make sure to go to the right place. Take a proper directions from your guide before you go inside. Third place, that is Phnom Kulen Waterfall, which is the main attraction of today's tour. This waterfall has two levels. If you have a cage, so you go to the upper level of the waterfall. The upper level where you can go with the cage, the waterfall is not very big, but still if it's a rainy day, the flow of water is really fast. Be safe whenever you are visiting here, especially if you have kids. We haven't saw any safety measures here at this waterfall, and there were no safety guards. Water flows quite fast. This is the actual waterfall which people visit when they visit to this Kulen Mountain. To go to this lower layer of this waterfall, you have to go from the steep rocks and a mud. You may not find this place so clean. Whenever you are going to this waterfall, just be careful and be safe here, especially when it's a rainy day. Next and the last place which we are going to visit in this tour is that Thousand Lingas. There is a river on this mountain, Komal River, and this river has many shivlingas. This is a Hindu aesthetic place and we pray Lord Shiva and the Shivlinga. Stepping into the water is prohibited in this area. Before you visit to this Kulen Mountain, I will suggest you to check the weather forecast. If it's a rainy day, the shivlingas are not clearly visible. That's it for today's video, Kulen Mountain. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for more videos from Siem, Cambodia. For all the videos from Cambodia, do follow my playlist Cambodia.